All right, I'm gonna follow you. Hell yeah. Car wash, baby, car wash. Car wash. Yeah. Yeah. How you doing, man? All right.
Long ride.
I'm a content creator, man. I saw you. I said I gotta try to catch up with this guy, man. I gotta see if I can get him pulled over for me. Oh man, where you from?
Flint.
Oh, you from Flint? Okay. Nice. Yeah, I said, man, I ain't never seen this around here before. I said, where this from? Nice.
As young as you feel.
Man, you right.
And today was a beautiful day, so I thought, why not take it for a drive?
Yep. Tapping back in, y'all. This is Bert. Just tapped in and met my man Bert. Met a new friend, I think, y'all. Bert right here. He from Flint. He got a DJI Joe bike we gonna tap in with. I'm gonna get some footage of that one day, y'all. It's getting kind of cool. I might not get that this year, but yeah, he just happened to be down here taking a cruise on a nice day. Coming from Flint, cruising through Saginaw. Bought the ride out. I happened to be leaving the police department because I got T-boned by some chick Friday. So my day was going kind of rough, but I ran into him and flagged him down, and he stopped for me, man. I see guys doing this in Vegas all the time, flagging cars down, asking where they stopping, can they check their rides. I said, man, ain't nobody ever stop for me and let me check their ride out. They don't do that for me. They don't do that for guys like me. Yeah, they do.
Oh, look, see, it's got a
Yeah, they do.
plate. So this justifies me driving it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
everywhere you go, it's a car show.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I appreciate that, man.
All right.
Yep. Once again, appreciate you.
No problem.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll be sending you the footage that I come up with and the pictures I took, and yeah, tap in with that bike.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's different. That's different.
All right, now.
All right.
Oh man, that was dope. Yo, let me tell you, when I watch my man from Vegas, the Count, when I watch the Counts Kustoms, when I watch Counts Kustoms, man, and I see this guy, I watch him all the time, been watching him for years. I'm like, yo, it's crazy how he just got the courage to just pull people over like that and just flag them down and get them to stop. He just ran. I said, this shit don't be real, man. This just don't really be real. Like, this be staged for TV. But yo, today, for whatever random reason, man, I caught that guy in traffic. I caught him in traffic. I'm having a kind of a rough day too. But for whatever reason, man, when I left the house today, I put my camera in the car with me. I put my drone in the car with me. I actually could have got some drone footage of the car too, though, but I didn't even think about that, to be honest. It was cool that he even stopped for me, so I ain't want to even press him for holding him up no longer, because he from Flint. He said, I'm on my lunch break from work right now, so he's supposed to be at work right now. But the fact that he even pulled over for me, I was like, yo, this is crazy. This really works. If you ask people the right way, if you approach them, I don't really don't know what's the right way. You just say, yo, I like your car. Can you pull over? But me, I was just like, yo, I'm a content creator, man. I like your car. I make content about cars. Can you pull over for me? He was like, yeah. Gave me the thumbs up. Yeah. Like, damn. All I had to do was ask. All I had to do was ask. Oh shit. New Z8. But I gotta go get the kids, so let me chill. I got one for the day. Let me chill. But yeah, man, that was fire, man. That really gave me some confidence to do what I really, it's wild. It's really wild, man. The universe really works for you. Ask and thy shall receive, man. Give me the courage. Give me the opportunity. Yo, when the opportunities present themselves, I see now you just gotta be on it for real. There's some other stuff I'm gonna have to document too. So, yo, stay tuned. Stay tuned.